Here's a summary of the news in a professional anchor style. Tonight, a federal judge in California has ruled against President Trump's deployment of the National Guard in Los Angeles, stating it violated federal law by allowing troops to engage in civilian law enforcement duties. This ruling, while specific to California's circumstances, comes as President Trump vows to deploy federal troops, including potentially the National Guard, to Chicago and Baltimore, despite significant opposition from local officials. Illinois Governor JB Pritzker, speaking earlier today, stated that federal agents are already gathering and expressed concern that these deployments are intended to provoke demonstrations, possibly through immigration raids targeting Latino communities. Pritzker asserted that the National Guard is not needed or wanted in Chicago. The court's decision in San Francisco marks the second time a federal judge has found Trump's use of the National Guard in L.A. to be unlawful. The Posse Comitatus Act, in place for nearly 140 years, generally prohibits the military from performing domestic law enforcement. Evidence presented in court detailed National Guard troops conducting raids alongside federal agents and setting up traffic blockades, making it difficult for bystanders to distinguish them from civilian law enforcement. President Trump, however, used the National Guard's presence in Washington, D.C. as a precedent, expressing pride in their service there. He believes that without these deployments, events like the planned 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles would have been jeopardized. The current ruling is delayed until September 12th, allowing the administration time to appeal. Legal experts note that while this ruling doesn't set a precedent against all federalization of the National Guard, it specifically addresses the overreach of duties performed in Los Angeles. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.